Alright, what up? So we back. Got the grill off. So this is just a bunch of push-in tabs or whatever. All these little tabs right there. So the same way this grill bolts up with the bolt and then the little metal bracket. Lay this down. So the same way that bolts up, it's the same way this is working. So it's got the bolts that go in it. These are flush. It's got this little bracket on the back. And this is 3M tape on the back of it, so it'll stick right to this front piece. So we got this. I'll take these off, and I got a couple of these finished up, and they're on eBay. If you want one, I'll put a link to where they are. But just to show you how they work, it's real simple. So undo this. All right. So you got the deer part. You line this up wherever you want it. I think this is about in the middle, like so. You flip this over. This might be a little tricky to do with one hand. Put your bracket on. This nut goes here. And I got another one somewhere right here. So line this back up. A little tough to do one-handed. There we go. Alright. Put this on. Hold that with my foot. Alright, so it's on there. Not gonna fall. Let me go ahead and tighten this up, and I'll turn y'all back on. Alright, so the get back, dog. Lay this down. These bolts not threaded all the way through. This is what's making all this noise, so back up, dog. But anyway, these bolts not threaded all the way through, so I'm gonna put some couple more of these on here to get it to tighten down, and then I'm gonna switch to a bolt that's fully threaded. So let me go ahead and drop this on, and we can see what it look like secure. Alright, so welcome back. This is now secure. Where's my light? There we go. So that's on there, bolted on good and tight. Secure on the back side. Again, I'm switching these out to some bolts that's fully threaded, so that way you only need that one bracket instead of, I got like 3 or 4 on here right now. So once the bolt is threaded all the way through, then you'll be good with just one bracket. But this is on. Lay this like so. All that'll snap back in place. So once that's on where you want it, this can be painted or wrapped or whatever, and it's got 3M tape already on the back, so you just peel all of this off. It'll stick in place like so, and you have a custom grill with the Impala logo on it instead of the Chevy sign like all the other ones. And if you have a mesh grill, the aftermarket, they don't come with logos anyway, so it'd be good to be able to have a logo on there. And again, you could paint this one, however you want to set it up. So two-tone it however you want. And I think they're pretty dope. So I'm not about to do this one. I got one that I was going to put in here without the bracket, so I'll probably just keep that one for myself. I glue that on here. And y'all can get these with the nice brackets until I make some more. Probably make some in another week or so. But yeah, this is how they hook up if you were wondering. And yeah, that's it. So let me know what you think, and I'll get back at y'all when I do something else. Alright, so since I got y'all here, I went ahead and found another one without the 3M all on the back. So I went ahead and painted this, put a couple of small strips of 3M. So we're gonna snap this on here so y'all can see about what it'll look like with the painted emblem on there. Try not to get that stuck, but yeah, so I went ahead and just did red just because it'll look good on video. But whenever I do mine, it's going to be white. But yeah, this is what we're looking like. Like I got it on there crooked, but this is what it would look like with a painted emblem. And the red actually looks real good. But just a couple layers of one solid layer. This is Rust-Oleum paint, so nothing fancy, but yeah, this is some options you'd be looking at. So yeah, what y'all think?